So today I have a couple of sewing makes to show you. So let's get started. So the first sewing make is a cardigan, and the pattern is Simplicity 8742. I almost dropped it. This is what it looks like. And I made view B, which is the shorter version right here. Okay. I purchased the fabric from Hobby Lobby, and it looks like this. It's kind of soft, and it doesn't have a whole lot of stretch, but it is a knit. And the pattern didn't call for a belt, but I used another pattern that I had, and I just followed the belt, how to make a belt for that pattern, and I just attached it. I sewed it to the back of the cardigan, so it's actually attached. And let's see, there are long sleeves, and I did not make the cuffs on the end of the sleeve. I didn't really want the extra fabric there, so I didn't make the cuffs. Yeah, and you know, it has a collar and all the traditional things that a cardigan, you know, would typically have. So that's it. So I will show you what it looks like. So I like this cardigan. I do. I felt that it was very easy to make. The only thing that I had an issue with is every time I walk past the mirror, I felt like I was wearing a bathrobe. And it might be due to the fabric, my fabric choice, but I like it, but I feel like it could double as a bathrobe. So if I ever decide that I don't want to, you know, wear it out in public, then I feel like I have actually made myself a bathrobe. So I could, you know, I can go with a bathrobe if I want. So I think I have something here that can double as a cardigan jacket / jacket, or a robe to wear around the house. So anyway, it's nice, and you know, I'm happy that I have it. So that's that. Now, the second make that I have is actually what I'm wearing, and I'm going to refer to this as a stash buster because I just took a regular t-shirt pattern, which it's Simplicity 1325, and I made view A. It's not gonna focus, is it? There we go. Okay, I made view A. It's just a t-shirt pattern. I actually love that t-shirt pattern, though. I've made it before in a plain all white. I have a video about it. It's just a simple plain white t-shirt. But what I did was I just took some fabric that I made from a cardigan that I showed in one of my other videos, and then I had some fabric left over from a dress that I made, and I just cut, and I was gonna just use whatever scraps I had. I didn't care if I had enough for a white sleeve and a orange sleeve. I was gonna mix them up and just come up with whatever I came up with. And I was gonna, you know, if it didn't look right, I figured I'd just wear it around the house just because I wanted to use my scraps. So that's what I decided to do. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna stand back. It's just, you know, like I said, it's just a t-shirt pattern, nothing to it, just plain. But I was able to use my scraps. I think I said stash buster earlier, but I meant to say scrap buster. So I just used the scraps that I had and just sewed this up, and it didn't take any time, and I'm happy with it. So yeah, that's my second make, and I'm happy with it, like I said. Okay, so those are the two makes that I have for you today. And before I go, the love share that I have is regarding Time magazine. So the word Time, T-I-M-E, across the front of the magazine is actually an acronym, and it stands for the International Magazine of Events. Isn't that interesting? I thought it was. So yeah, that is all that I have for you today. I want to thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you next time.